What is up guys, this is Jay here and welcome to yet another video of tricky solution. Sometime we face Wi-Fi is not working on iPhone, and in this video I'm gonna show you how we can solve the problem. And very first process, you have to take your airplane mode, you have to turn this one off and turn on again, and then you have to check whether it's in do not disturb mode or focus. If it's in do not disturb mode, you have to keep it in focus, okay? And then you have to go in setting, then you have to go Wi-Fi, then here you can see the I button and tap on there and make sure your low data mode should be turned off always, and then go back, then go to I button again and tap on forget data network and just forget it. And here you have to restart your iPhone. Here you have to go. Here we have to go setting. Here we have to input our password. Then tap on join. I hope your problem will be solved. If you are still facing the problem, and then move on the next step, you have to go setting, then you have to go screen time, turn on the screen time. This is my phone. And here you have to go content and privacy restriction. Here you have to turn this one off and check your network. If you're facing that problem, then check your iOS update. Check it. Here you can see that your software update is available. Just download and install this one. Afterward, your problem will be solved. And if you are still facing that problem, you have to follow the last and final step. Setting, then you have to go general, tap on general. Here you can see the transfer or reset iPhone, tap on there. Then here you can see the erase all content and setting and reset. Here you have to tap on erase all content and setting, continue, and here you have to put your password. And after resetting your phone, I hope your problem will be solved. I hope you guys got the solution. If you guys like my video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.